Alright guys, Zeus here, and I'm going to go over my loadout that I'm going to be using for Operation Just Cause at Godfather's Airsoft. So I'm going to go from head to toe. I'll move the camera around so you can see what I have on and stuff. Alright, so first I have the King Arms Mitch 2001, I don't know the exact number. It has holes for comms, which I don't have. Goggles, don't know the brand. They work real well. They're tinted, so I don't get sun in my eyes. I got like a blue and black Shimag. I usually wet this when it's hot. It should be hot. It's April, or it's getting warmer. So I'll wet this. They'll keep me cool. Moving down, I just got my ACU blouse, or combat shirt, Velcro, panels on each side, American flag. And then I got my chest rig. Don't know the brand. Oitech, I think, Condor. So I'll go over what I have on it. So I have a triple double stacker mag pouch, which will hold 2 mags. So I'll carry 2 high caps that I'm running with 4 75 round mag pool mags. So yeah, which leads me to my gun. This is the classic Army M15A4 Pro line, upgraded, 6.03 type bore, rewired, it's shimmed. Yeah, it's got a crane stock on the back. So get this out of the way. This is my Condor 1-point sling. That helps a lot. Right now I don't have it weaved through my vest. I just have it around my neck, but usually I'll put it under my hydration pack, which will take all the weight off my it'll take all the weight off my gun and put on my vest instead of my shoulders. On the back, I have a Oitech backpack hydration pouch. It has a pouch right here and an upper pouch on the top, and then it has one for the hydration. Oh, I forgot to go over what's on my vest, but I have a utility pouch. I usually carry goggle defog in there and microfiber cleaning rags to clean off my goggles and such. And that's it for the upper half. Now I'm going to move the camera down so you can see on my lower half. Alright, on my lower half of my body, I don't have my boots with me, but I do have Condor Elites tactile boots, 8-inch, $80 off Airsoft GI. So actually, right below my vest, I have a Oitech duty belt. Nothing on it right now. I usually do have a holster, but don't have a pistol right now. It's broken. And then moving down even farther, I have just military issue Coyote Brown or Coyote Tan, whatever you want to call it, knee pads. I love knee pads that keep my knees safe and protected. I hate coming home with sore knees. Alright guys, thanks for watching my loadout video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe our videos. Mercer County Steel really help us out on YouTube. More videos are to come, and especially the video at Operation Just Cause at Godfather. One thing I did forget to mention is I will have a GoPro mounted up on the top of my helmet right here, or maybe to the side to get a different shot. So this is Zeus, and thanks for watching guys.